guys have asked us about hybrid trucks from GM, and behind me is the 2017 GMC Sierra eAssist. Is it going to be sold in other states other than California? Is it going to be a 4x4? Coming up is everything you ever wanted to know.
Yeah, this is our, right behind me here is our 2017 Sierra SLT eAssist model. Just launched it right at the end of the 16 model year. Selling it right now only in California. Just trying to get a feel for the market acceptance. But it's basically our standard 5.3 liter engine, so it's got the 355 horsepower, the same as our regular 5.3. It's got all the same technologies, so it's got active fuel management, the ability to go from 4 to 6. So what we add then is a compact electric motor. Add that, we add then a lithium-ion battery. It's a 24-cell lithium-ion battery. So add that, that's packaged under the console. We've got regenerative braking, and then we've got some aero improvements.
Okay.
So altogether, what this does is it brings about a 13% improvement in fuel economy, gets it up to an 18 in the city and a 24 highway. So that's actually a segment-leading fuel economy for a V8 engine in a full-size truck.
So how does it work? So first of all, what is the battery capacity? Do you have that?
Yeah, it's in 15 kilowatt hours of battery capacity, okay. So lithium-ion.
And so how does it work? Is there a little bit of electric-only mode, or is it only kind of a mixed electric and gas power?
Yeah, it's really only a mix. So what it does provide some electrical support right at launch, and also sometimes during a hard acceleration during, at any speed. So it does provide a little extra push there. And then during braking, it collects some of the energy from the braking, puts that back in to recharge that lithium-ion battery. And then basically those changes, along with the start-stop, bring that additional fuel economy benefit.
And the battery is packaged, you said, underneath the cab, or what?
No, it's right underneath the console.
Got a couple of additional screens here that are specific to the eAssist. The first of those, if you click on this energy button, you first of all get this power flow display. And right now the vehicle is not on, so you're not seeing it. But what it would show if the vehicle were turned on is it would show moving lines that express whether or not the brakes are recharging the battery, or if the battery is supporting the flow and adding performance to the engine. So you've got that screen that sort of tells you what's going on with the system, and then you've also got a consumption history histogram that shows in 5-mile increments what your fuel economy has been. Now this is a new vehicle, hasn't been driven yet, but this would show whether it's 20 miles per gallon in the last 5, and it would move up and down from there. So you can actually track over 50 miles to see how you've been doing in terms of your fuel economy.
GM has been experimenting with hybrid pickup trucks for a while. This is the latest version. It's available as a Chevy Silverado and also as a GMC Sierra. In the Sierra, it's only available as an SLT model, fully loaded. It starts around $51,000, and this particular truck is around $52,000, and it's not eligible for tax credits. What is the pricing like for the eAssist?
Well, this is, we sell this on our top-of-the-line SLT model.
Okay.
So we start with this a very loaded truck, which is really our most popular model as well. So it's our Premium Plus package, and this adds about $925 of cost or price to the vehicle. So it's a pretty affordable package, really. And that includes the tonneau cover on the back, which is part of the aero improvement that we get from the vehicle.
And what about towing and payload? How is that affected in the
Yeah, no, there's no change. So this engine still has all the same capabilities, and the truck has all the same capabilities. So this particular configuration, it's a 2-wheel drive crew cab. It's got 9,400 pounds of towing capacity, same as it would if it were a standard 5.3. So no change at all. Efficiency.
Okay, so it's similar to some other vehicle from GM. Maybe like a Malibu system, or?
Yeah, I'm not familiar with the Malibu system, but it probably is quite similar, yeah.
Will you consider selling this truck either in 4-wheel drive or in other markets?
Yeah, we are looking at it. Like I said, we just launched it over the summer, really, here in California. The initial shipment that we sent has sold out pretty quickly, so we're now reevaluating it. I think we're going to probably stick with California for the short term. But we're going to, really try and understand what the market acceptance is, and we may take it beyond just California here in the coming years.
I really hope that GM and GMC considers selling a 4x4 version, and so we can get it in Colorado as well, in other states. Go back to tfltruck.com for more news, views, and real-world reviews, and you can click up here for another video, and down here to subscribe.